In this video we'll introduce the Drawing Explorer. We'll briefly explain what it does, and we'll look at the number of ways in which it can be launched. To understand Drawing Explorer, you could look at it as the control center for your drawings. Apart from the graphic information, a DWG file contains a number of definitions and settings that control the appearance of the drawing. All of these definitions can be found in the Drawing Explorer. And if you're familiar with AutoCAD, it's actually quite similar to its design center. The Drawing Explorer allows you to view and edit styles and definitions or copy any of these settings between open drawings. From the Drawing Explorer you can see all of your design definitions and work with them across your open drawings. The layout of the dialog box and the availability of tools and menus will depend on the selected category in the Drawings sub-window, here on the left. There are a number of ways to access or launch the Drawing Explorer. It can be accessed from the quad from here, for example, or by clicking on the Drawing Explorer button in the toolbar. You can also use the Explorer command. When you open the Drawing Explorer with this command, it will open at the most recently accessed category. But you can then navigate to the category you want to access. You can also open a specific category by entering its command name. If you select one of the drawings at the higher level, without going into one of its categories, you'll see a Details view. Once you select a category, most views will comprise of these three panels. The Drawing panel, here, with the list of categories. The Editing panel, here, where you can change the properties of each category, and the Preview panel, here. You can also undock these panels, resize them, and place them elsewhere. You can always restore to the default view, by going to Settings, and Restore Default Layout. Folders allows you to access drawings from local folders, and from the cloud through BricsCAD 24/7. You can browse to the Drawings folder, and open the drawing by double-clicking on it. Here you have a number of viewing options. You can also close a panel by clicking on the X, but to reopen it you'll need to return to the View drop-down. It's also worth noting that when you close and reopen Drawing Explorer, you'll return to the same layout setup that you closed from. And this concludes our video on introducing the Drawing Explorer.